All right, guys, so my cousin Gio got this Chevy HHR from the auction, and we looked up all the fixes for its rod knock on YouTube and Google, and we're gonna try to see if anything will help it. Go ahead, start it. Oh. Hold on. Go ahead, start it. As you can see, sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty healthy. Alright, so what is the first thing you think we should put? Who's got the YouTube? Look to the YouTube of what did it say? I think it said wash it out first. I think it said flush it. Flush the engine out or something. So what we got for that? We got some wash and wax. What do you think about that?
Yeah,
that's the word? It said flush it out, clean it out. Same thing, right?
Yeah. Advanced wash and wax formula.
Yeah.
Helps water beading and delivers incredible shine. Hopefully we'll clean it out.
Maybe that'll lube those bearings
What do you
up.
think? What do you think we should have Gio start it?
Yeah, I should probably have it
Put it in?
running while you put it in. Yeah, probably.
That only makes sense, right?
Yeah.
I think you might need to use some alcohol in it.
Oh, that ain't even that bad. Barely knocking.
Yeah. Barely. Ready?
Bubbles. Oh, you might have to turn it off first. Turn it off. I think, yeah, you're supposed to put it in there, then run it, and then...
Oh, yeah. No, that makes sense.
Yeah.
It smells clean though.
It sounded like it was getting a little
good.
quieter after that little tiny bit. You
Okay,
put...
so dump the rest of that in
Oh,
there.
because that's so much bull by, so
Dump the
it
rest
just
of
blows
this in
over.
here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You only
clean
got
it
one
out.
flavor?
Yeah, that's good.
Orange flavor. Yeah, that's good. That
Only a
no.
little bit
That's
left.
good. Yeah, that's good. All of it. I mean,
All right.
cleaner the better.
What do you want to start it up now, or you want to put some?
Start it and run it.
Some of that alcohol.
I mean,
in
I'd
there, or-
say...
Get that circulated.
I'd say at least do like a 3 thing, you
Three
know.
parts.
Yeah, let's try
3-part.
some of that
3 different things. What's
pineapple
next?
alcohol stuff.
Yeah, there you go.
This?
You need to loosen
Oh,
it
yeah,
up.
let me see.
Get it feeling a little frisky.
I mean, I don't know
You
about...
gotta take a drink.
Ready? What is that?
We're doing 1 or 2?
2.
I do 2. Yeah, I got 2 open.
Half a bowl. Half a bowl. Are you ready?
You get this thing fixed
Y'all
up.
do the long pour.
Get it feeling a
Yeah, the
little,
long
little,
pour.
little tipsy. Feeling a little tipsy.
Y'all gotta do the long pour. What y'all doing? You gotta do the Oh,
Oh, you suck. Yeah. That's good. Oh, you did your whole thing.
You want to hit it with some of that apple cider vinegar?
Ooh, apple cider vinegar.
Make sure you do it
Take a
good
swig. Take a swig for the camera. All right.
No.
It's disgusting. It tastes like apple and vinegar. I don't like it.
I don't know about that
Take a swig for the video.
If he does one, you got
Sniff it
to.
first.
No.
If he does one. Shot. Do a shot.
Don't do it.
Go on, take a little taste test of that one.
Don't
Taste.
do
It's
it.
like
Taste
it
it.
smells like malt vinegar.
Joe, it burned. It burned off.
Hold on, pour a
But
little
he,
out.
but he said, I'm done with this.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Panda's turn.
All right. Let's.
All right. Let's run it.
Yeah, run it for like a minute, you know,
See
half
if
a
it
minute,
quiets
30
down.
seconds. Yeah.
What you doing? What you doing?
What?
It's your turn.
You guys can't smell that vinegar on camera, but oh my God. Probably helping. Sounds like it's probably helping. Oh, it got quieter. See?
Somewhat. Seems like a little fire.
There. Oh, it's trying to go away. Yeah.
All right. Turn it off. That didn't work to the extent that I wanted to, so we might have to start going a little.
Some
What do you think?
Italian dressing?
What are we thinking next, y'all?
The peaches. Peaches. I like this big clump.
The peaches?
I like
Peaches with juice?
We got some berry punch and some peach juice.
Berry punch. Let's go fruity then. Let's go a little bit fruity.
Fruity?
Is this these peaches bad? These bad?
You're spinning.
I mean, on the movie Holes, they were.
We should have straight piped the cat and the muffler and stuff for the popcorn.
May
I figure we could put it in through the back. And once it's warm enough,
Taste
hopefully,
it.
hopefully it'll work.
The heat's gonna get that far back. The cat's gonna take most of
It's
the
not the taste tester.
Here, you taste one. I'll taste one.
Both of y'all
Look,
dirty
peach
kids.
before that.
Ever had pizza before?
13th of May, 2024. We're gonna see if these peaches are good. Ready?
Yeah, it was only a couple days ago.
2024.
Tastes like a peach to me.
Yes, a couple days ago.
Oh yeah, we're in 2025.
What days ago?
All right. With juice or without juice?
With it was just
Pour 'em
the
in.
peach juice we were doing.
Just
No, pour the juice in there too. What are you doing?
Yeah, just
ready?
no, you gotta let him do it first, G, so you can use that to wash it down. Wash the pizza.
That coming out.
It's a little too thick. You might
Watch out! Watch out! Get it
you'd
off
have
the
to
thing.
blend it or something.
We'll just get the juice.
Oh,
That's okay. It'll make
I
it
got an
lighter.
idea.
Just leave that in there.
Pop it back in there. I'm gonna pour some of the juice and I'm gonna crush the
let me
peach.
see that.
Yeah, but you don't want
Yeah,
your
I'll
hands
drop
all
it in
dirty.
there.
Just put
Oh yeah, that'll work. Yeah. 3 peaches for good luck.
Might need something like a little stick.
This car is better be
No, we should
top
be-
notch shape.
My fingers in.
Should be. We gotta drive this in California. The
Yeah,
beach.
hopefully this will make our our yearly
Cali.
Cali trip. Oh yeah, that'll probably work.
Guess I'm that
My hands are
very
real sticky.
That's good.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, from now on, don't take that. It's running out, but don't take that funnel out.
You leave the funnel in.
Y'all are gonna have to clean that drum box.
Yeah, for sure.
It's not too bad.
So
kill the
syrup
power.
or
We need something.
I
Yeah,
was
some
thinking the burger
thicker
sauce.
stuff.
Yeah, burger sauce.
Let's get it a little bit thick. No, syrup is a step up. Let's get real because we got literally guacamole
let's do some
and
gravy.
gravy.
Let's do some gravy.
Let's do syrup and gravy. It's probably a good combo.
Yeah, thicken it up a little bit.
I think the burger sauce might be a good one too. I think you should say
Just
the
peel
gravy.
it.
Really? Chevy gravy?
Are you scared of knives now?
Or what about applesauce?
Are you making sure to get our faces in there? We
Yeah,
gotta get our faces.
I'm getting your faces, man. Oh my God, that's nasty.
That's absolutely disgusting.
You're gonna freaking have a sugar rush.
One of my friends said they
Ah, the dogs are gonna be all over that,
No,
man.
you're gonna have to get rid of all of that.
Uncle
He's
Steve,
gonna have
I'm
so
sorry
many.
about the bees.
We'll shovel it and then we'll freaking throw it in something.
and stank up.
Yummy.
I think I can smell it.
Peaches and syrup. Are you ready?
That burger sauce.
Ready? Let's go. Down that.
Who's doing the gravy?
Yeah, it's probably good.
Oh my goodness.
I think we gotta run that. We gotta
Yeah.
run that.
Yeah.
That's a little thick.
What are we doing? Like 30 seconds of runtime each thing?
Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah, 30 to
30
60.
to a minute. This is everything that we've done to you.
It's quieting up. Quieten up, see?
We might have to do an oil flush. Oh yeah.
It's getting quieter. You need like a stick to poke that down in there. That's what I told him. Oh, yeah.
It's just running out of the dipstick. It's not even going down anymore. It's just running out of the
Yeah, we need to poke it.
We might have to flush it. See what I'm saying?
We need to get something to shove down there.
Right here, the
Grab
dipstick.
the dipstick.
What's the dipstick look like?
There was a thicker thing, but we probably have to wash it off.
Poke it down.
That's not gonna work. It's gonna oh, don't pull it out.
Yeah, that vinegar is strong, boy. I tell you what. Make sure your finger's not blocking it.
Oh wait, it's going down. Or it might just be smell. Nope, it's going down.
Yeah, pour some of that, something like thinner, not the vegetable.
Yeah.
That, yeah.
What about some lemonade and
There you go. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, we need peach and truffle. G.
Yo.
Down the hatch.
Not even. Don't even think about it.
That's not beer. It's just
Still energy drink. You don't need that either.
Alright, ready? Wait.
Are we doing all of these? Or all of it, or what?
We're putting in tropical vibe and what's that peach vibe?
All
Are
your
you
pours
ready?
are like 5-second pours. Remember that.
Looks like not it.
Is it better? Is it going?
You ain't got it.
Oh, it's going.
Jill, do you have it?
Oh yeah, there it goes.
There goes look.
It's puking out.
Is it?
Yeah. I think it's full.
We need
Definitely
another.
not full.
Huh?
Definitely not full.
You don't think that? Maybe it needs to run for longer.
Plugged up, maybe.
Needs to run for
Okay, don't
longer.
do that. Let me see.
That apple cider vinegar is.
You ready for the next thing?
What is
Make
it?
sure we let it run a little bit. Alright, shut it off. Butter syrup, chipotle, burger sauce, twister, berry punch, spiked soda. We got this to clean it out. That's the first thing we did. We got some peaches, apple cider vinegar,
And these.
and tropical vibe Celsius. Sponsor us.
Please.
Alright, what do we think is next? This is big. I feel like that's gonna have to be last. What about some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce?
Let me check Facebook and see what else they said.
Alright. Check.
I'll
let
check
us know.
Facebook right now. It says here
Oh, wait.
gravy and nacho cheese.
Great, yeah.
Gravy and
Gravy
nacho
and nacho
cheese.
cheese.
Gravy.
You want nacho cheese or gravy?
Mine is
Probably pour the gravy into the nacho cheese and then stir it.
Yeah, I think that's what it says.
Alright, pour it in.
Air it.
Pour it in. Get closer. Get the close up. You gotta get the close up. See that? Look, get the close up. Look at that.
What do you call that stirring tool?
This is called the banana. That looks about right? It's peanut butter. Lick
Pretty
it.
good. Looks
Lick
pretty good.
it. Lick it. It's peanut butter. Lick it. It's peanut butter.
Okay.
Stop, he's not gonna lick it.
Yeah, knock it off. Try
Alright,
to
ready?
keep this like,
Don't you need the funnel?
funnel.
Funnel.
Or are you skipping the funnel?
Free ball. All right, hold that. Ready?
That's thick.
Oh yeah,
That's really thick.
quiet that thing right on that.
Quieted extra good, huh? That's gonna take a minute.
Leave that
Yeah,
in there
shake
or
it.
run it, and it should,
Yeah, run it, G. Go run it.
If it doesn't go down,
You're gonna
add
have to
some of
hold
that oil
down.
in it.
You're gonna have to hold that funnel down.
I'll hold it down.
That probably won't work. Just hold that lid.
What do you think?
You're making a mess job out of this.
Still sounds loud. I think we need to go to our next YouTube home remedy real quick.
The one said, the cereal said, make sure you crush it. Oh, wow.
I don't know if it's about to die out or.
Might be working. It's definitely a lot quieter. The one on YouTube said cereal, but it said make sure you crush it up. I don't know.
Crushed up cereal.
Yeah, that's what it
Berry
said.
pebbles.
Yeah.
Berry pebbles, and I think if you like crush them up to powder form and put some like
You need to be on
Some
your
of
A
that.
game with Emma.
Coca-Cola in it.
Alright, we got plenty.
No, I think you should take the bag out and crush it.
Yeah. And then follow it up with some lemonade.
Shut it off. Let it die. Can't let it die. Get over it.
Dude,
I said crush it.
How was I supposed to crush it?
with your hand.
Need some help there, buddy?
Okay.
That looks pretty good. Hold the funnel, G.
Smells over here.
We need A-grade camera work. Okay. There we go. Not no lazy. You got to be looking at the camera the whole time. Nothing else. Just the camera.
Kids got to ride in town.
Well, your dad can dump and you can do it.
Yeah, but I'm the funniest guy on the planet. What do you think? That's pretty good.
No, I think we're gonna need a little more than
You need a
that.
lot more. That's like sawdust
You got the
right
you
there.
need that lemonade right there. Get that lemonade,
Yeah,
Bobby.
pour that lemonade in there, too.
Lemonade or that Coca-Cola, that's for sure.
Lemonade? I said Coca-Cola department. Oh.
Is there a dipstick over there?
No. Excuse me, sir.
Go ahead. Pour some of that lemonade.
Yeah, I don't see why this thing wouldn't make it California.
That's what I'm saying.
It's already getting
It's
quieter.
already getting quieter. We might be ready.
Go on and grab your dipstick and
Oh my
put that in there.
goodness, that's it.
Don't let them touch that stuff.
I might be eating that for breakfast tomorrow.
There you go.
There we go.
Some more, G.
More lemonade, yeah.
Your dad never comes back with the milk. You gotta use lemonade.
I'd say that's pretty good. What do you think?
One more splash of lemonade, probably.
Get a little cereal in there. What kind of lemonade is that?
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Can we get a shot of that
Perfect.
lemonade?
It's that Arizona specialty.
Oh, that's local lemonade.
Run it up. Fire it up.
Fire it
Actually,
up.
run that a little longer, maybe a minute and a half.
Fire and no. I think we need to go a little bit quicker. What do you think?
Yeah, what do you got?
This is where we start getting thick. Spicy. Peanut butter?
Peanut butter.
We got spicy brown mustard, peanut butter, and mayonnaise. And then we got Sweet Baby Ray's. This is the thick as it gets.
Barbecue's always good.
This thing, barbecue? Barbecue and peanut butter?
Gotta adjust the camera like this every time. Nobody else can see
Honey barbecue? Down hatch?
Just one of the ways to have Precious barbecue sauce.
Bro, I low-key wanted this barbecue sauce when I was in the store.
And some ribs.
You probably do no funnel on barbecue sauce.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
look at that. That's calls for an oil change
You'll
right
need
there.
an engine detail afterwards, though, but
We're gonna put more of that cleaner once we're
you
done.
can do the engine detail before you get ready to go to Cali.
Get a good zoom on that?
Mm-hmm.
More or less?
It's probably good. Something a little liquidy to wash, rinse it down.
A little liquidy?
There you go. Do the
No,
soda.
we gotta do oil last because that's when we do
You
the
gotta
oil
top it
change.
off.
Ooh,
Try
I
some
see,
of
I
that Italian Tuscan House Italian dressing.
This?
Why do I feel like I'm filming a cooking show instead?
We are cooking. It's called
We are
cooking with Crisco.
Bizzle and D. D and D and D.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that
yeah,
took
there
it.
you go.
That took it
That's
wrong.
gonna lubricate all of that in
That took it.
This.
Bro, it does stink. I don't think these YouTube freaking
Guys know what
remedies.
they're talking about.
Google.
It's quieter already.
Maybe.
Start it
Might have
up.
quieted it down a little bit.
there. Gio said when he did his research, they said peanut butter. So we'll try peanut butter after this.
Yeah, that's good.
Is it still warm?
Yeah.
still seems pretty loud to me, but
What if it doesn't work? What's your guys' plans?
we're gonna Dukes of Hazzards it.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what
It's gonna be gone.
It's gonna be.
we're gonna hit a big jump.
Send it to
Yeah.
me.
Send it.
We're gonna be the
That's
second.
about it. What are we doing? We're gonna make some popcorn later?
But this gotta work.
Yeah.
We ain't buy all this.
Yeah, we're gonna make some popcorn.
We ain't buy all.
Think that pop? I don't know if that popcorn will pop.
Popcorn's
Is
gonna
that
go down the
cheese?
throttle body.
Why is there cheese on the
On
banana?
the throttle body?
Gravy and
No, you can't do it on the throttle body. Yeah.
y'all poured this in
Are
there.
you guys excited for the next thing? What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm thinking some spicy brown mustard.
We already put that in.
We did? Yeah.
I'm thinking we
Mayonnaise.
need some mayonnaise.
You went to go get your.
What about some applesauce right now?
You went to go get your stuff ready.
Can we do some applesauce real quick?
What about
Mayonnaise an instrument?
Yeah.
Mayonnaise and cream cheese.
Applesauce.
Oh, guac. Oh, guac's gonna be a good one. They said guac would work real good.
Put some of this in there.
Sure. Whatever it takes to get this thing fixed up.
But it doesn't smell like that. Yeah. Oh my. You saw that?
I think you need to clean it off.
Buddy, where's the
What is
phone?
that? What did you
What?
put in there?
Applesauce.
Applesauce. There we go.
There you go.
I think you need to clean it off. Clean that Nico.
It's not hot.
Hell yeah, that shit's hot.
I was about to say, well, you're just like.
You need to clean the engine out, you know, top, inside and out. So.
Mm.
I don't call it an engine cluster enough.
Well, these YouTube home remedies sure do stink. So I don't know who's putting this in their car. It smells stinky.
I just want to see the Facebook ad for this if it don't work. Lightly used. Smells of fresh cooking.
Smells of fresh ingredients.
Here's how we wash
Uh,
it. Right. We shake this.
Hold on. See that? Smell it. What does that smell like?
That's right.
Smell. We need your real experience.
Yeah, give us the profiles of the smell.
It's like. Wait, let me do one more.
He likes it.
It's like. It tastes like cat pee or something.
Tastes like cat.
I don't know. I know what that tastes like.
Smells. You mean it smells?
smell, it's
Smells.
It's just ferocious. You can't even explain.
Ferocious.
You just might have to keep it running.
Yeah. Yeah.
It needs to be washed off. Ooh, I'm sorry, dude.
You guys are all gonna need
Buddy,
showers.
you already touched his lips.
What are we thinking? You didn't?
Dude,
Little
don't stop.
Coca-Cola?
It needs to be washed off.
Coca-Cola, come on, we're gonna wash it off.
Wash what off? What are we
Let me get
washing
some of
off?
that. Let me get some of that.
We
I
gotta
got to
wash
wash
off
Uncle Steve's table because you keep spilling everything on it.
We gotta wash off the quarter panel.
All these kids are gonna have to come over
Quarter
and clean
panel?
these out.
We gotta wash the rims. What do you think? What do you think? Wash the rims off a little bit?
I mean, if you think they're dirty, the whole
I mean,
car
that-
looks kind of
that rim's
dirty.
pretty dirty, right?
I agree.
Oh, you cornball. Oh my goodness.
Jeez, I'm sure
Yeah,
I
put your
did
thumb
because
over
it
it
got
and
all
shake
over
it.
me.
Not in it, just over it.
Don't get inside the car. You got to drive this thing.
Alright, don't wait till you still want it. You guys didn't learn from the NBA Finals?
I hope you got that on video because that was so
Let me get some of that.
That's your face.
I would drink it, but I've got some disgusting stuff on it.
This thing has no carbonation now.
Well, let's do Coke. Let's do Coke.
So you can pour it out.
Let's do Coke. Got my finger stuck.
It's already gone. It's just Coke Zero.
There's a little bit of that metal around the rim left.
Literally Coke Zero.
Almost had a your house fire.
See if that Coke will work. I hope you got that. Please tell me. Did you get it splashing all over my face?
Over there? I was filming. It should, yeah.
Just roll, put it in the microwave. Put a liquid in it.
I need my face washed.
The hose is right there.
All right, let's get that peanut butter working. Ready?
Your house fire. Oh, that's what I was telling Bobby. I microwaved it and there was a little bit of metal on the
Oh, so you caught it on fire?
rim. Yeah, we almost had ourselves a fire.
Yeah, that's bad. Here, get that mayonnaise. G.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Here you go.
You want to try and run it when you put that in there, or no?
Ready? Oh, you almost got fucking freaking mayonnaise on me. Oh, your mayonnaise has got to be disgusting if it's not coming out like that. Where's the dipstick? Good question.
On the table.
He's right here.
And a little of that hard soda or something.
That are here is ridiculous.
Get that hard soda, G. We're gonna get it out of here. Pour it slowly so it goes down.
Y'all put so much mayonnaise.
Pour it slow so it goes down.
Because mayonnaise is an instrument. You should know.
Oh, you're right.
Yep.
Looks like cottage cheese.
Yeah, eat it. Probably tastes like cottage cheese.
The mayo or the
Oh.
peanut butter?
This is disgusting, bro.
I think you need to run it a little bit to get some of that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Keep
going.
that in the hole. Keep that.
It's gonna go into the car.
It reeks already.
Dude, it freaking stinks.
We're gonna have to drive this right over to Rogers. We're gonna have to drive this right to Rogers when we're done just to get it out of here.
Why you keep taking
What
it
are you
out?
Because I
doing?
can't find the
It's like you
holes.
never worked on a car before or
What do you
something.
mean you can't find it? It's
This
like
is
the
above
size
my
of a
pay grade, alright?
freaking potato.
Whoa.
Yeah, get some of that.
Oh yeah, that looks delicious.
Look, that's nice.
Look, stop taking it out.
This is my at-home remedy.
You're getting it everywhere.
This is
I'm
about
trying to
fix the
find the
car.
hole because there's like.
That's why I said start it. Watch your face.
Watch your face.
Oh, that's gonna spew everywhere.
Yo, let me give you.
Our drum box about to die.
We might be cooked gamers.
Go, start it.
It's.
Oh, you probably got Coca-Cola all over it.
Yeah, this thing's cooked.
I think the soda you got on the jump box made it cook. He's always known how to pinch. Look at this despicable mess. It is just everywhere. Look, something's leaking over there. What's leaking? Oh, it's these freaking kids threw the banana in the peaches. Joseph. Hi.
Does it by me? I recorded mine and Joseph's vlog.
Here, let me see that real quick. Alright. Ready?
He's filling them with 5 6.
Let me see. Alright, so fighting it wasn't working. But we started to get a little bit hungry. So right here we got some white popcorn kernels. We already got some oil in there. We're gonna see if we can make a little bit of popcorn. Right? Alright. What's the method here? Throw it in, handful.
Yeah, and then just use this stick to push them down.
Go get us a stick or something.
There's a stick right here. Oh, there you go. That's probably the method, honestly.
Oh, it's melted on there or something. Alright, push it in. Get in deep. Oh yeah.
It's more.
The oil's running out of the drain hole on the muffler. That's funny. The oil is running out of the drain hole on the muffler.
Alright, let's see.
Everybody, we'll leave recording and walk.
I was saying, here, come get the camera. Here's the film master. It blew about 97% of the
Oh, the kernels? You're gonna kill it. You're gonna kill it, G. Watch out, Bobby. You're in the light. Well, that's how we're gonna end it. Thank you so much for watching this goofy little video. It was really fun to make. We were just messing around basically the whole time. Let me know down in the comments though what you guys thought worked the best for the rod knock. Obviously, you know, none of that's gonna take away the rod knock, but what item slash syrup slash liquid slash whatever you think worked the best to quiet it down a little bit, maybe, you know, just a little bit quieter than it was. And if you like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.